Namaskar. Maharashtra is a leading state in e-governance. E-governance should provide a transparent administration, efficient administration and responsible administration to the people. Maharashtra Forest Department is having 20% of the geographical area under forest cover with 312 tigers in the state. Protecting the habitat and tree cover is very important for the maintenance of the ecosystem. So, we have developed a few GIS modules which will help the administrators in making a right decision, whether the things are happening rightly or wrongly. Remotely it can be seen, it can be assessed and appropriate decision can be taken. We have established a GIS cell at Nagpur. We have used the GeoMedia software, IRDAS software, and we have taken the help of the Hexagon to make a geo portal also. Our geo portal is operational from June 2019 onwards. Thereafterwards, using the new improved software of the IRDAS, which is having artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have thought of making 6 new GIS modules. The first module is forest cover change analysis. In this module, our basic unit compartment, beat, round, range, division wise, we can analyze how the forest cover is changing, whether it is improving, whether it is decreasing or it is remaining steadily. And not only this thing, the data will be coming and where it is increasing, in what category of the forest it is increasing and decreasing, and the same data can be seen with respect to bar charts also, and all this data has been uploaded on the geo portal. So my guard or forester, RFO, ACF, though they don't have any GeoMedia software, still they can make a query and analyze the data and they can take a decision where the things are improving, where the decisions are going wrong and what is to be done. This is one module we have developed. The second module is that every year we are having a lot of files. Honorable High Court and Supreme Court also has directed us to take important interventions to contain the forest fires. So actually how much forest area is burned, it is not known. So using the AI and ML methodology, we have analyzed the imageries and then actually how much area has been burned month wise, area wise, we have worked out, and that data shows that in which area spatially and how much area has been burned, in which month it has been burned, that we have ascertained. Based on that, the probable reason of the fire is also ascertained, and all these will help us in assessing and planning for the next year so that we can control the fires efficiently, effectively. And using this system, we have already said this much area is being burned. The first point is that the behavior of the reporting of the officers has changed and they are coming very close to our satellite analysis figures. That itself is that a very efficient, correct reporting has taken place so that everyone gets sensitized and everyone will find a good solution. This is the second module what we have developed. The third module is that we are developing plantation site suitability module. We are investing a lot of money on the ground. So that money should be utilized and it should show some positive result. So whether our site is having that effectiveness or not, capability or not, we have worked out, and whether the soil depth is there or not, whether good quality of soil is there or not, whether tree cover is there or not, based on so many parameters we have worked out, and whether that site is suitable for the plantation or not, we could come out with a thematic map. Earlier we are getting this information from the field and based on that we are taking the decision. Now this field input is cross verified with our GIS thematic input so that a correct decision can be taken by the administrator. This is the third thing what we have done. The fourth one is that coop treatment map. In hilly areas, our coops are around 200 hectares. Every inch of the area has to be moved, it has to be understood, and a thematic map has to be prepared in various categories. But understanding the entire coop, he has to move in the coop for 2 to 3 days to get and to make a treatment map. If the GIS methodology is used, that map can be generated within minutes, and he can validate that map on the ground, and he can certify it. In this way, this technology facilitates the officer to take the decision very quickly. This is another advantage. So it is a time saver here to us. Then encroachment analysis. See, 1 hectare of the land is costing around 10,000 crores in Mumbai. That is the cost of the land. So we have to save every inch of the forest land for the betterment of the human society for future's sake. So to protect our land, we have used the high resolution satellite imageries, and we used the IRDAS methodology. Then we found that whether agricultural encroachment has taken place in that area, or whether any building has come up, or for any other purpose that has been used, these things are identified by our software, and that is alerted to the concerned officer, showing that such and such encroachment has taken place in that area. This is also facilitating, because the people are overburdened the work. Every minute they cannot see that land, but here someone is helping you that such and such thing has taken place in that area. This will facilitate, and this will help in prosecuting and removing the encroachment also. This is another advantage what we got in the new module. Then in addition to this, we are trying to develop another 6th module, is that watershed treatment module. It is still in the development and validation stage, and we will come up with that module. We are very thankful to Hexagon. They have extended all the help, particularly Mr. Nitin Dwivedi and Vasudeva Rao. They are very cooperative, and they are very helpful in developing these modules, and these modules definitely will help all the forest officers, not only in India, throughout the world also. It will be helpful to them. Thank you.